Good morning, welcome back to the Seabus Hunter channel. This morning we're finally getting the boat out for its maiden voyage. So we're going to get out, we're going to start the engine, check them out, check sure all the engine's all good, see how we get on, we'll bring you along the way. Let's go.
Out on the water where the horizon meets the sky, in my little boat, and just my dreams and I, casting lines in the golden glow, chasing sunsets where the sea winds blow, with my rod and reel, feeling alive and free. It's a perfect day, just the ocean and me. I'm the sea bass hunter, riding the waves, lost in the moment where adventure paves. Friends and family, laughter fills the air, making memories with love we share. Catching the dream as the sun sinks low. In this boat I find my flow. With the tides pulling in and the seabirds call, there's magic in the water, I'm ready for it all. The bobber's dipping, oh I feel the thrill, reeling in the catch, time stands still. Every nibble on the line is a heartbeat of the sea. It's more than fishing, it's a part of me. Spent here takes my breath away. We gather around when the day is done, with a cooler of fish and a setting sun.
Ain't done a good job of that, have you?
Fireside after the stars so bright, sharing our tales, they echo through the night. The sea bass hunter, we find our crown in the heart of the water, where the world slows down. I'm the sea bass hunter, riding the waves, lost in the moment where adventure pays. Friends and family, laughter fills the air, making memories of love we share. Catching the dream as the sun sinks low. In this boat I find my flow. Both near and far, on this journey of life, you're my guiding star.